How to fix and improve your video quality on Disney Plus. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily improve your video quality on Disney Plus. For that, you first need to go to your web browser and head over to disneyplus.com. And once you get here, just make sure that you log into your Disney Plus account. Once you are logged in, you just need to go ahead and find the profile icon at the top right corner and hover your mouse over it. And once you get there, all you need to do is click on the edit profile icon, and right below that you have app settings. So go ahead and click on app settings. And here you can find three options. Under data usage, you have automatic, moderate, and save data. So if you have been using the save data option, here it will show you the least amount of data and stream in the SD quality. So if you set this to automatic, it will stream in the highest quality available up to 4K USD, but it will also consume more data. But if you're on Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter. Now click on save and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.